Welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at a stock, UAVS, small cap winner today, 214.71%. News came out. AG Eagle receives follow-up on purchase orders to manufacture commercial drones for package delivery. Just reading here, we're thrilled to be expanding our relationship with this key client, which is keen on taking full advantage of AG Eagle's specialized expertise in the custom manufacturing and assembly of commercial drones. Okay, so positive news. Low float. This is under 10 million float, and I'll start at pre-market here. I call this the wave. So this is a 5-minute chart. Big candles here. Right here to start it at 8:35 this morning. Big move up. You have a high wick here, and then a pullback. And then where did it pull back to? 13 EMA. 13 EMA is over 20 EMA. Extremely bullish. Not a lot of volume. 76,000 pre-market. That's not bad for a small cap, but it's not in the millions. And then let's see here. So after a pullback, draw a little flag here, a little triangle. Get over 60, continue to move pre-market, right at the open. This was 935. Look at the high wick here. A lot of people, if you're using a smaller time frame, might have been stopped out. A lot of newbie traders. And then you see, you go to the higher time frame. Higher time frames are very important when trading these. People get out too quick. They jump the gun. They want quick profits. But as we see here, this pulls back, and look where it pulls back to. 13 EMA, and right at that move here of 80 cents. And 13 EMA still riding up here, still over 20 EMA. And then what happens next? Right over the pre-market high and the opening bell high. $1 roll. And continues to move up. And a high of the day at this point was 138. This is where it's tricky. If you were in here, made the trade, maybe you get out around this area, took profit. Tougher to gauge here. Do you want to take profit here? Let it roll. If you got in down here, maybe you take a roll here and let it go higher. Take some profit along the way. But look at the 10-minute. 10-minute showing great support. And where's the support? At 91 cents. And 13 MA never crossed down. Never was a sell. Formed a little sideways action here, but it's not a bend. It's not a full move down. That's why you like to use higher time frames. Then it continued higher, 150 area, went as high as 159. Then moved back down to 120 and eventually faded later in the day. So it's tough to gauge how you want to take the profit. A lot of people want to take that profit on that little move up, which you should do. The lock-in profits, always do that. You could probably let some roll down here. Don't sell your whole profit. Let it come back down. Go to a higher time frame and see where it goes here. And it went up, and you would have gained a little more profit there. But always take profit. That's the main rule there. But this was a beautiful move. So we had up, came back down, up, came back down, 13 EMA holding, and then you get all the way up to the high mark right here. Now this is a low float. Company is more of a garbage company. Take a look at the daily time frame on this. Look going back to, let's go back to 2016. Look at all these wicks. These are high wicks and drop, wick, drop. It never holds its gain. It's not like the stock is going up like this, slowly going up like an Apple or a stock like that. So high wicks never hold. It's a totally trash company. Today right here though is a great move, and it probably won't hold again. It'll probably crash down. But this was a great move in small cap Pennyland. They've been hot the last week. There's a lot of good movers. PIXY Pixie was a good move today. And PSTI was a good mover. So it looks like this is going to continue for a little while longer. The small cap lands are heating up. And let's take a look at back here to the volume here. You can see here Volume, big volume. This was on the 5-minute candle. Volume is 4.8 million. And look how it dropped off, but it dropped off slightly. And then you saw the green, look at these green candles go higher right here. Nice divergence higher, which is always bullish. And then even on this move here, that's the move where you could get out, but this consolidation, the volume really dropped off light. Then it came back up higher again. So always look at volume. Volume and price are one of the most important things. Okay, so have a good day, guys.